everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Hey, look, I can make little butterfly, blah, blah, bunnies. Anyway, sorry, that's not very professional. I digress. I wanted to show you, look, I received an Amazon box. And I was thinking to myself, is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it light pad? No, it is something that I have been drooling over, and I'll show you why in a minute. It is ArtDot. Yes. Oh my goodness. I have seen many of my friend creators open this, and I had to have it. And I wanted to share it with you guys on my channel. What I love about this is it doesn't come in a tube. It doesn't come in a rectangular, like a cylinder type box. It is flat, and ArtDot has their own logo, their own style, and it says life is more fun when you paint by diamond as an artist. And that is so true, right? Don't we all feel like artists? Okay, so first off, this box, even though it came in a box, it looks like it had a little tough time. Only the box is this way. It's not the painting. So I'm going to flip this over. I want to see, they already have the instructions on the box. Very easy, very clear to read. Okay, and then you can open it on the side, but this box, it looks like it just came unglued, probably temperature change. Look, everything is flat. You do not have to worry about your paintings being wrinkled or crushed, and they all fit in the box beautifully. And it's a 4-piece set. This particular set, I'm gonna put the link down below, is selling currently for $18.99, which is less than $5 per painting because you get 4. They also have a pretty cool toolkit. I have not gotten one of these blue trays before, so I am very excited to try it. I hear this is really nice for people who use easels because you can put your pen right here and it's not gonna, you know, roll away on you. I would probably use this when I'm leaving, you know, so I'm always looking for my pens. They give you 3 single placers, and then on the other side, if you flip it, you have a 3 multi-placer. This is probably a 5 or a 6. It doesn't have it written on here. Sometimes it's punched right there. That's a little tip you can look for, but not this one. This one may be a 7 or a 9 placer. So really nice. And then they give you the little green boat in case you don't want the blue square. And you get a bunch of waxes. That's fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to put that away later. You came to look at these, right? Look at how it's packaged. Okay, it's in here. It's laying flat. And look at this beautiful painting. OMG. They've got their logo on the top. It is poured glue. That's why you have the clear cover. These are 30 by 40. They say rendering over here, which is really nice. That's what you're supposed to get. Here is your key. They use mostly numbers and letters. Whoops. Keep you in focus. They give you your DMC codes. This is round. And as you can see here, they don't use what we call training wheels or dummy circles, which I absolutely love because I don't like if I put a drill or diamond down and the circle's slightly bigger or I put it offset, sometimes you can see that line. Also down here, it talks about, you know, unroll and unpack and tape it flat. And it just kind of gives you some instructions right there. It's a quality fabric type feel to it. On here, these are the drills, and you can see clearly the DMC numbers. And then this CFL004 goes with right up here. So we're gonna find the 02. So it's 03, 04, 01. Of course, it's always the last one you pick up. Did you know why it's always the last one you pick up? Because you stop looking after you find it. I remember when my dad told me that, I was like, what? It took me a couple days to process that, of course, it's the last place you look because you stop looking. Like, Dad, seriously. All right, as I mentioned, these are round. We're gonna just look at one and see the pretty colors. It's what you call a train, which means they're all attached when they run through the machine. And I love these colors. It's better than I even saw on the Amazon site. But these are beautiful colors. Right? Oh, let's get that silver out of the way. You can just see. All right, here we go. So these beautiful rose flower colors. These are nice snack sizes. Nice to give to friends if they want to learn how to diamond paint. I have a neighbor who I got addicted, and she follows my channel and my Instagram. She'll text me, oh, I went to Harbor Freight and I didn't have anything. Do you have one I could buy off of you? Yep, got you hooked up, sister. And I love it. She's showing me what she's buying, and it's wonderful. Okay, so I'll put that away in a minute. So this first one has 25 colors, which is a lot of colors for a 30 by 40. Absolutely beautiful. I love how the vase is a different color than the background. Sometimes they don't get that right. That way it really pops. So let's look what else is in here. This is a flower kit. Wonderful. My grandmother, my mom, I even love it. Oh, look at this one. Daisies. And I think those are strawberries. It's nice and sticky. This one is 27 colors. And look at how pretty that is. Bold, beautiful colors. I don't know my flowers very well. Are these... They're not hydrangeas, I don't think. You guys tell me, what kind of flowers are these? And I think you can tell, even though it's a 30 by 40. They do a great rendering. So this is 24 colors. And this last one is a basket of flowers. Is it peonies? You guys are gonna laugh at me, right? This is 28 colors. This has the most colors. Beautiful with blues and pinks. Absolutely gorgeous. And what I like is you get a couple horizontal and a couple verticals in this kit. And let's see, let's measure it just to see, you know, it says 30 by 40. Is it the canvas they're talking about or the drill area? All right, so it is 25 drill area, 30 canvas. This is probably going to be 35. Yep, 35, and the canvas is 40. But I still think with their rendering, absolutely gorgeous. I definitely want to do these. I have so many I want to do. The drills are beautiful. I am going to do a quick inventory just to make sure I have all the colors. I normally do that off scene and then do a new clip if there is anything wrong. But I want to show you how gorgeous these drills are. Let's find a nice color. I mean, there's no trash in there. There is a little hitchhiker in there. That's okay. That happens with machines. That doesn't mean anything. There's a cute little story that one of the creators talks about and how hitchhikers get into drills and how there's somebody who's working the machine who's in love with somebody else working the machine down on a different color, and he sneaks away to his true love, and the drill is left to remind her that he was there. It's a cute little story. Okay, so that is my ArtDot. I am so excited about this. I can't wait to try one and give you guys a post review. I will definitely be buying more of these. You have to check them out at $5 a diamond painting. This is score for somebody who has a fixed income or just needs a side hobby or wants to try diamond painting out and not ready to invest in the huge paintings. This is a great size for sitting on the sofa, watching movies with your kids and your husband. So yeah, check it out, ArtDot. I'll put the link down below. They have several different styles. If you don't like, you're not a huge flower fan, they do have landscapes. They have bright, bold, and almost neon colors, very muted colors. So definitely take a look, and I hope you enjoy this video. And with Amazon Prime, you can't knock the shipping super fast. So take care. I love you all, and have a wonderful day. Be blessed. Bye-bye.